This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Optidew Eye Drops is an effective solution for dry eyes and post-operative eye care. It combines beneficial ingredients to soothe and lubricate the eyes. Indications and uses. This eye drop formulation is used for treating mild to severe dry eyes, alleviating post-operative dry eyes, and managing eye burns. It is also beneficial for individuals recovering from LASIK and cataract surgeries, as it aids in repairing eye surface tissue, enhances tear breakup time, and minimizes complications following eye surgery. How it works. The drops work by utilizing sodium hyaluronate, a natural substance that retains moisture in tears, ensuring lasting lubrication and promoting healing of the eye surface. Directions for use. Use the eye drops as advised by your healthcare provider. For application, tilt your head backward, hold the bottle upside down above your eye, and dispense the drops using gentle pressure. Avoid touching the tip of the container to any surface to prevent contamination. Possible side effects. Possible side effects may include blurred vision, redness, discomfort, sensitivity to light, stickiness of eyelashes, swelling of the eyelids, and watering of the eyes. Precautions and warnings. Caution is advised when using this eye drop formulation in pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as in individuals with liver or kidney diseases. It is advisable to consult a healthcare professional prior to use, particularly for children and elderly patients. FAQs. 1. What if I forget to use the eye drops? If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember unless it's nearly time for the next dose. Do not double up. 2. Can I wear contact lenses while using these drops? It is recommended to remove contact lenses before using the drops and wait 15 minutes before putting them back in. 3. Are there any side effects? Common side effects include blurred vision and eye irritation. Consult a doctor if symptoms worsen. 4. Can I use other eye drops with this product? Avoid using other eye medications simultaneously. If necessary, wait at least 5 minutes between applications. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is important to us.